So somewhere in, I don't know, a person suggested a new crafting recipe of the Eyes of Ender, since it's just an ender pearl and a blaze rod. But this crafting recipe had the same requirements, but with a prismarine shard, a wind shard, and an echo shard. So, here's my opinion. I am against it. The reason why: some people think this will make it exploring adventurous. But most people don't even to the end. So this people who try to do that will have to go through all of that. Also, the hardest one is the echo shard. Like, you basically need 12. Like, dude, you can summon the warden. That's will be more time consuming. You have to go. The breathe rod kind of mid. I think this will ruin total speedruns because we could find seeds that are perfect for speedrunning. But we'll have to explore more, making the extinction of speedrunners. Unless if it's a 12-eye. And this, not only that, but I think it'll be way too complicating. Plus, I haven't beat the Ender Dragon without cheats. So, if this will the new update, yeah, I'm cooked. I'll basically have to go through to perfect the warden. And I recommend doing this after beating the Ender Dragon, cause making it feel like the actual end is scene, but it's just a final. So, keeping the current IF craft recipe, for example, this will change. People who believe this will be neat, I don't think they forgot one key problem, and that is simplicity. Well, I know what you might say. Oh well, this will make it more adventurous and more explorers, just like other people. And they would. And the game will make a whole lot fun. What? Is like, dude, the beginners, like, if someone was about to beat the Ender Dragon, this was the new update. Yeah, that person will definitely rage. Okay. Also, to mention that I'm not a rage baiter. Like, this is just my opinion. So, thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next video.